What up, GRC, back at it once again. And I'm out here bashing with this EXB. Changed the battery right now, and I stopped because it was clicking. So I don't know, man. This thing is clicking, has a clicking noise. And so I don't know, man. This EXB is becoming real troublesome. And so I'm just gonna run it some more. I didn't have the camera on. I was just ripping around, but thought I'd slap the camera on right now and show some of the, or you know, so you can hear some of this ripping around with the clicking, ripping and clicking, clicking and ripping. Stupid AXB, man. And so you guys, I'm going over here real quick. Come on, let me, so I can see you guys. Look at that. It's flipping. Hear that clicking? Can you hear the clicking? Took my eyes off. I'm afraid to do flips with it because it's clicking. But look at all this that I've done. I don't know if you guys can hear the clicking. Can you hear that clicking? People are going to get mad after I did this. Over here making a mess. This is my neighborhood park too. Can you hear it? Silly clicking EXB, man. Let's go over here. Sounds bad. I just keep on going with it, but I'm sick of this thing, man. I'm sick of it. sick of this thing, man. I am sick of this thing. This EXB, man. To the force. Son thinks Willie bar ain't too bad. Stupid clicking, man. I don't even want to go in there and check it out. I don't even care anymore. I'm tired of these diffs. I'm tired. But yeah, that'll do it. I just wanted you guys to hear that. Yeah, just wanted y'all to know that it's clicking. So you know, hear that clicking in when I did that? Sheesh. So the internals are getting messed up, and I'm just gonna keep riding it. Just keep riding it. 'Cause I don't care, man. I'm tired. Internals are dying. Look at all that dirt I put over here. These people are gonna be mad. And this is my neighborhood too. You hear that? Yeah, I need to turn up the brakes. I can barely bring my nose down. But yeah. Man, this was supposed to be the chosen one. But I'm telling you, my... Oh, battery down. Just wanted to show the clicking. And so I just wish upon a star. And so, all right, thanks for watching my clicking